If you're renting a Shure handheld wireless, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to use it with confidence. When we open the case, we'll see everything that comes in the package. You get the microphone, the receiver, power supply, and our mic clip. Now let's set the microphone up. First, locate the power supply and plug it into the wall and then into the back of our unit. Next, we get our line from our mixer and plug it into the XLR output on the back. After hitting our group button, we see that it is on channel A9. Next, we power on our mic, and using the group and channel buttons, we select A9. We can now see that the ready light is on. That means that we're synced up. The antenna in this unit is built into the roof, so be sure that you don't cover it or stack your units. The effective range on this is about 300 feet. If there's obstructions between the receiver and the handheld unit, this will cut down your range. We've done another video on the proper way to use a microphone, but here's the basic version. This is a vocal handheld mic. It's meant to be used 2 to 6 inches away from your mouth, pointed directly at your mouth. If you use it down here or put it on a stand 2 or 3 feet away, it won't work well. And that's everything you need to know to use this microphone successfully. If you got other stuff you're using, be sure to check out the videos on how to use those properly. And if you have any questions, never hesitate to call us at the Doo Wop Shop.